All right, hello everybody. We are back, and I'm down here in Jake's room because we have only 2 weeks before we leave on this crazy adventure of ours. So it's about time that we do something. So what are we gonna do, Jake?
We're gonna pack my backpack.
That's right. I'm gonna pack your backpack. We're gonna see if it all fits. What are we gonna do now, Jake?
We're gonna go over a packing list.
All right, what's the first thing?
3 short sleeve shirts,
All right.
1 hoodie, 1 pants, 2 shorts, 1 bathing suit, 4 underwear, 3 socks, running shoes,
You'll be wearing the running shoes, so, yep.
hat, headlamp,
Yeah.
towel,
Mm-hmm.
eye shades,
Yep.
Kobo,
That's that.
journal,
Journal, and you got some markers and pencils and stuff.
iPod,
That's the iPod in there.
K-Way,
Yep.
water bottle,
Mm-hmm.
and a toothbrush.
Toothbrush. We've got a deck of cards and a tennis ball. And then the extras that we're trying to fit in Jake's pack are a thermarest in case we run out of beds, a small tablet, and then Jake also has a shoulder bag that I'm hoping we can actually just fit inside your backpack, but we'll see how it goes. And these are packing cubes. So
You put like clothes and stuff in them.
that's right.
So,
All right, let's set the camera up and we'll maybe do a high-speed thing and of us packing it all together, okay? High-speed thing. Here we go. I think we did it. Put her on.
Hey, it got skinnier.
How's it feel?
It's not heavy.
It's not heavy? Think you can carry that for a year or two?
Why not? It's like non-stop, but
Should we go upstairs and weigh it?
with your fishing scale?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're in the garage and we're gonna weigh Jake's backpack. Jake's backpack is 12 pounds, 5 ounces.
Haha.
Good job, Jake. Guess what? It's my turn.